Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today we are doing a challenge makeup video. So it's where I'm blindfolded and we're in the makeup section at Target. Whatever I touch is the makeup I get to use. I'm gonna be blindfolded and I'm gonna have to choose my makeup. And that's the makeup I get to use. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, can you see it with me? Well, let's just get straight on to the video. Let's go. Alright, we're ready. I'm putting the blindfold on. It's on, I can't see anything. So I guess I start. Okay, first item. I don't know where to put it. This. I think I'm touching concealers. These things. I think this is lipstick. This, I think, is blush or eyeshadow. I think this is more lip gloss. This is more eyeshadow. And I think this is bronzer, eyeliner, or mascara. Don't know what this is. This is okay, I can use it on the contour. And this, I'm glad I got this. I can use this as my foundation. A bit jelly? What is this stuff? We're gonna see if I can do a look with this stuff. So we're back in the makeup room. I have an idea for the lips. I don't have anything else really for anything else yet. I'm thinking of doing a little summer look because I'm gonna kind of do like a lemonade-y look, kind of. Because I got this palette and it has yellow and pinks. I might do that, but I have to use this palette too because I got that. I might use some of this silver or this blue. I don't know really what else to do, so we'll see. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing I got is this e.l.f. face primer and it's blue. Hey, it's like whitish clear. I've never applied primer before. You apply it in the T-zone. T-zone is where it's across here, and in the middle of your face, and that's where it gets the most oily and stuff, and where it can't hold the makeup as good. The primer helps it stick. I got so lucky with this foundation. It's my skin color. It helps brighten up. This is from Almay. It's exactly my skin color. I got this color too, so I have to use it. I'm not going to use it very much because I have to use this too. And this will also help me make it my skin color. I'm doing actually really good. Concealer along with the other one. I got two concealers, guys. One's really dark and one's really light, which is actually perfect because then I can do highlighting and contouring. This one is from CoverGirl. Looks like lipstick. We're just putting this on the center of our face. Too bad I didn't get any brushes. Blended in nice. It doesn't give too much color, which is perfect. this one is from Maybelline. I have to be careful with this because this could either be really good or really bad. It's just giving me a little bit of a tan. Guys, we're getting pretty lucky. Hey guys, it's been one of those days where I'm just dropping things. I made everything slippery because of this stuff. I'm gonna use this. Okay, this powder's not too bad. Now I got the butter bronzer. I love the butter bronzer. Now, on to blush. I didn't get a very pinky blush. I got like a... So far, guys, I think our look is pretty good. Now for the eyeshadow. I'm thinking of doing like lemonade eyes. Now I'm gonna start with the yellow on the lid. Color's pretty good. I use the yellow, now I'm gonna use this like pinky peach, and that's gonna go in my crease. Now I'm gonna use a touch of my blue because a touch of blue and silver because I have to use this palette as well. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. Okay guys, did that. Going good. Now I'm gonna do the mascara, and oh, I never showed you guys. This is by L'Oreal. Mascara like ties the whole look together. Now I gotta do the lips. So I'm gonna start out with this one, and I'm actually gonna do this like on the outer part of my lips, and then like this is gonna go the normal lip, and then this is gonna go in like the middle. I'm gonna do this one. And then just to do this one. A Bit Jelly by NYX. This color, guys. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I even picked the right brow color. I'm better with my eyes closed. Here's the final look. How do you guys think I did? Guys, this challenge was so much fun to do. Guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you would try this challenge. And subscribe. I would think it would be really fun to see other YouTubers do this challenge. Who could do it? Also, make sure you check out my daily t-shirts if you want to support my channel. And they're pretty cute. Hope you guys are having an awesome summer, and make sure you're subscribed because I got some awesome videos coming out. One of them may or may not be about roar. I wonder what it could be. Like this video if you think you know what it is. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye!